took the training with Kamal almost less than 2 years, right?
Right.
Less than 2 years ago. And Kamal gave me the idea of how to start my own business as an independent dispatcher. Because at that time when I joined the training, I thought that I'm gonna get like 9 to 5 job as a dispatcher or something like that. But yeah, he helped me a lot to start my own business, to get my first client. And fortunately now I have I don't know how many, but I know how many trucks I have.
I think you said 14 plus or something.
So yeah, usually I work from home with my wife. Sometimes the friends are giving me help as well. Kamal is always there just to give me a support, and until today I'm just calling him and just check with him if I face any issue.
It was actually a great journey. These 4 days we've learned so much. So we actually get more than what we paid for. And you added so much value.
It was a very great session. It was a very great course for me.
This was generally a very, very informative 4 days.
You're a great teacher and you keep us engaged. You're pretty good. Better than the university classes I took.
I've reached out to Kamal a few times since I took the course, and he's always answered all my questions.
You've been very, very lively. Yeah, a wealth of knowledge. I was not very sure that I'll be having this kind of a online experience. And it's a very unexpected for me, but very nice. I mean, I didn't feel that I am not in a class.
I really felt so good, Kamal, attending this, and after attending this 2-day session, I really felt like that this is a beginning to a lifelong relationship. It's just not this 2-day course here. You have really imbibed in us a direction, confidence, and a knowledge to seek something very differently in a very different aspect of professional field.
You made us all engaged throughout the 2 days.
Actually, pretty myself, I've learned a lot. It's more like you have actually paid a path for us.
This was really good. I think it was excellent for me because
there was a lot of information, but I feel like it was all very relevant.
I think that your whole entire lesson was super organized. You're very knowledgeable in what you're teaching us and very clear.
I'm very happy with your service. I'm seriously very, very comfortable. Just because of Kamal, I am good to go. I never ever heard somebody help you after that many time, right?
My name is Kamal and I'm the founder and lead trainer at Truckadium Inc. I have extensive experience in training and development, product and operations management. Teaching and training is my passion. I started my journey in the trucking industry from LoadLink Technologies. LoadLink is the largest load board in Canada, used by many trucking companies and freight brokerage companies in Canada as well as the US. At LoadLink, I worked as a product manager as well as a customer service manager. After LoadLink, I started my own training and consulting business in the trucking industry. I also started and managed my own independent truck dispatching business, where I worked with owner-operators and small career companies and helped them manage their trucking business from start till finish. This included helping them get their all trucking authorities and permits, helping them in finding profitable loads and build business relationships with the freight brokers, helping them with customs and border crossing process, including ACE and ACI e-manifest process, invoicing, and all other paperwork and documentation requirements. In our very popular truck dispatcher and freight broker training course, I will share all the practical knowledge that I've gained over the years. This course is for you if you are a job seeker looking for a career change, or if you want to start your own trucking company or your own freight brokerage or independent truck dispatching business from home. In just 2 full days or 4 half-day sessions, we build your knowledge from the ground up. We make you familiar with the trucking terms and rules and regulations related to the trucking industry. Trucking authorities and permits and freight brokerage licensing requirements are discussed in detail. Training includes practical and real-life scenarios with case studies. Live training is provided on LoadLink, which is the largest load board in Canada, and DAT, which is the largest load board in the US. I will go through the entire life cycle of a load, where I will train you on the actual load booking process, where you can hear me interact with the freight brokers about the load booking process, and I will show you how I negotiate rates with the freight brokers. Course also includes practical assignments on customs and border crossing process, including ACE and ACI e-manifest process. Operational cost calculations, factoring, and cash flow management process is also discussed in detail. Training is also provided on truck dispatching software or transportation management system, what we call as TMS. I will show you how you can make more than $10,000 per month dispatching 5 to 6 trucks as an independent truck dispatcher from home. You will learn how to start and grow your own trucking company or your own freight brokerage or independent truck dispatching business. For job seekers, though we cannot guarantee or promise a job after the training, but we do help with job search strategy, including resume building, interview preparation tips, and more. Post-training support, including extensive mentoring and guidance, is provided to help you succeed. We promise to provide you a clear direction about your journey in the trucking industry after the training. In this training course, you will not only learn about truck dispatching and freight brokerage, but you will also get a bigger picture view about the trucking industry and will become aware of all the opportunities that are available for everyone in the trucking industry. I'm looking forward to seeing you in one of my upcoming truck dispatcher and freight brokerage training sessions.
You shared a lot of things which even I've been in trucking industry, but I even did not know about those.
We actually got very clear about independent dispatcher thing. You were amazing.
The training was very practical. I have no experience in tracking.
The course that you are doing is very well structured, and I'm really happy I took it.
I just want to say I'm really glad I enrolled in this class. Now, after taking this course, it's more clear and have know this industry more in depth.
Your program is a very good program. I've seen so many programs online, but your program is exceptional.
This must be something you really enjoy because your voice was clear the whole time and you did it with ease and you did it on time.
I just want to say, Kamal, this was an amazing training. I'm actually, you exceeded my expectations.